This is pretty scary, so I'm not gonna talk. Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to Essence Cosmetics YouTube channel. The festival season is starting, and who doesn't love a good festival? Today I'm gonna show you how to get this pink, glowy, romantic look that will last you all day and all night. Ready? Let's get started! I have already done my base and brows. And for my base, I use this You Better Work tinted day cream. This is anti-shine and waterproof, perfect for festivals when you're dancing and sweating, so your makeup look will be secure. To create this romantic festival look, I'm gonna use this Good Vibes, Good Memories eyeshadow palette in the shade Bloom Baby Bloom. So this palette has a lot of neutral tones, and I will use this one first. And I will apply this in my crease to define it. I will also apply this on my lids. I really like this pinkish plum shade. By the way, this Good Vibes, Good Memories collection is actually limited edition, so you better be fast. For my inner corner, I will use this lighter shade. This will brighten up your eyes and make them pop. And I will also use this darker shade on my lower lash line. To top this off, I'm gonna create a winged liner. And for that, I'm using the waterproof Super Last eyeliner. This is pretty scary, so I'm not gonna talk. It's really good. I like it. I have lash extensions on, but I would recommend the You Better Work mascaras. One for the volume and one for the length. And both of these are waterproof, perfect for festivals. Let's move on to blush to give my face that pretty in pink glow. I'm gonna use the Good Vibes, Good Memories blush trio. Look at this packaging! I love it! It's so cute! Flowers, flowers. We got 3 gorgeous shades, and I'm gonna be using this pink shade and a lot of it. Smile and apply. And you won't forget highlighter, because festivals is all about highlighter and shining. For this, I'm gonna use the Good Vibes, Good Memories Baked Blush and Highlighter. This highlighter has a pink gold reflection and is highly pigmented, as you can see. For that little extra spark, I'm gonna use the Good Vibes, Good Memories blush and highlighter drops. And this is also a pink gold highlighter. This is really pigmented, so I will put it on the back of my hand and then apply it with my finger. On my cupid's bow, a little bit more, and on my brow bones. And what is a festival look without a little glam and glitter? Nothing if you ask me. To draw on some dots over my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this liquid highlighter again. Put some on the back of your hand and take a small brush and draw. That's nice! To finish this look, I'm gonna use the Plumping Nudes lip gloss in the shade She's So Extra. Feels so good on the lips. To make this look last all day long, I'm gonna use a fixing spray. This is the You Better Work fixing spray. Shake it and spray. The Good Vibes, Good Memories also has a body mist, and this has a really flowery scent. You can spray this on your body and in your hair. This is the look, a pink romantic festival look. What will be your festival look this summer? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this look, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Mwah! Thanks for watching, bye!